How to delete your message on Zoom. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete your message on Zoom easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to Zoom application. Now let's just choose any channel right here. I'm gonna choose this one for example. Now this is the message that I want to delete. All what you have to do is go to those three dots right here and click on them like this. Now you need to go down until you find the delete option and click on it like this and choose delete. Now this message has been deleted, easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.